What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video today, man. Today we just bring y'all in on an update on what we got going on the back and a whole lot of other stuff we got going on right now. I'm actually right now opening the garage on the lack because I gotta show y'all, man. We decided to do something to the lack, kind of last minute, spur of the moment thing, but it just kind of happened. So it's definitely getting a few more upgrades, but for my OG subscribers, man, y'all gonna like this. Y'all gonna understand maybe why, but I'm going back to something that I should have done a little while ago, man, and I'm gonna keep it this way for a while because I feel like sometimes you need a break from what you're doing with your old schools and just go back to the essence of what they are and being an old school car. So that's what we're doing today. We done got rid of the 24s. The 24s are off the car. We're putting the factories back on, and we're gonna drive the old girl factory for a while, man, because I just feel like I wanna get back to the essence of what makes this car what it is. No big wheels. Of course, it's gonna have loud music and all that other stuff, but we will be putting big wheels back on the car, but that's gonna be when the remix comes along. But right now, I just feel like I wanna go back with my 15s, with my center caps with the Cadillac logos on there. So that's what we're gonna do. I see the wheels. We back on jack stands. The wheels are off. Everything is going back to where it was. Got the 15s in the corner. Here, hubcaps, center caps. We got the tool. We definitely gonna put all this back on because I get it, man. It's cool to ride during the summer with the big wheels and stuff like that. And it looks really, really good. This is gonna be the summer car with the big wheels. This is gonna be to finish out the summer car, all OG, because I just feel like when I go back all OG with it, it's just gonna give me more of that feel of what it truly is in its essence. And that's kind of what I'm looking for with it right now. You know, maybe during when it gets cold, we may slap the big wheels back on it, which will be a different set of big wheels, because I actually, guy made me off. I couldn't refuse on the wheels. So, you know, I was like, you know what, let me take them off. I had them sitting out, and he's like, I'll buy them. So I said, deal, man, you can buy them. I actually got to put the OG steering wheel back on. So we kind of debating, you know, what we want to do when we put the big wheels back on the car, which would be, like I said, probably wintertime. I'm just going to ride it all OG for now and enjoy it. Take it to car shows, all OG, let people see it in the way it's supposed to be. So that's kind of where we are with that. Minus, you know, the few touches that we'll have, you know, the radio, you know, the headliner, which we're working on right now. I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. But, you know, that's just kind of where we are with that. We've just been working, man, on other stuff for the car. We're working on the Starlight headliner right now. And when I tell y'all, this is a huge undertaking that I did not realize had this much into it. So we did the 450 with the shooting stars. So I got 450 individual lights I gotta run. Plus I had to run all the shooting stars out. And then once I get all these routed, spotted in where I need them, then I gotta glue each one of these individual strands down. That's why they charge so much to do this, is because it is a lot of work to do. So I may add it to my bag. I may, you know, charge people if they want to try to get it done. I wouldn't charge as much as one of the big places do because, like I said, I'm learning, so it might be flawed in some spots. But the money you're going to pay me ain't going to be near what you play with them people, so don't complain. But y'all see it. It's coming along. As far as this, man, I'm just going to get out and enjoy this later on. It's running good. Everything dialed in. I think we got the carburetor dialed in. We had one incident happen, one flaw so far. Let me show y'all what we got the new floor mats. They finally showed up with the Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme in there. Floor mats finally showed up. But we got to get this window back figured out. We was riding it the other day. My wife went to shut the door and the window just kind of went crazy. So we're going to pull that back apart. I think it popped off track, so we'll have to try to figure that out. Get it back on track. But I don't ride with the windows up anyway because, like I said, this car does have AC, but it ain't the greatest. So, and with this heat we've been getting lately, it ain't gonna work out. But we back stock, man. The old lack is going back stock probably later today. once I stop being lazy and put these brake pads on. And brake pads. I ain't been doing nothing but a lot of fishing here lately, man. So got the lures hanging out. Gotta get those back on. I see the crazy part is I painted all this gold myself, and that gold is still actually holding up pretty well. Sway bars. We got the new uppers, new lowers. We did everything underneath here ourselves. And it looks pretty good all the way around. And another reason, man, I took those wheels off is even though I had everything notched out, not notched out, but shortened and everything, I felt like when I got off kilter a little heavy, it would still rub a little bit. So we just went ahead and took them off, and we're gonna go back with something different. Probably another offset, maybe. What y'all think about going back all factory, man? I'm gonna give y'all some factory Cadillac content. That's for the OG people, man. I know a lot of people like big wheels, but it's OG season, man. We're gonna ride this thing, windows down, 15s on it, hubcap shined up, glistening, white wall shined up, and just enjoy this thing, man. So, quick video for y'all, showing y'all something that we got going on. We're gonna get that done. We gotta get this finished up. But it's gonna be an OG summer in the Cadillac, man. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me, man. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will catch y'all in that next video.